I take you down, would you really?
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing.
Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial. I was gonna do a live today, but I was like, no, let me just give y'all this bronziness, this glow. So I came to y'all with this look, and I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Hope that y'all enjoyed this bronzy glow that I'm giving y'all. I really loved how this look came out, and I hope that y'all like it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and also comment down below if y'all want me to do more drugstore tutorials. I don't know, they're kind of fun. Maybe I should start a series or something. Let me know if y'all want to see that. Make sure your brows are clean, like perfect, everything. Like, it just has to be. My face is really clearing up, y'all, and I'm so proud. Like, I've been really taking care of my skin. I'm going to take my NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil, y'all, and this is in the shade Espresso. Now, this reminds me of Kids Professional. Remember back then when me and MJ used to use it? That totally reminds me of this pencil. They basically can be alike, but this one, I don't know if this is cheaper or they might be around the same price. The other girl pro concealer in Fawn, y'all. Brush that I'm going to be using is my MAC 212. Everybody want to know what base to use. This and that. Look, listen. If you ain't got Plouise, then you ain't got nothing. You have to get this Plouise base. It's affordable. It's not drugstore, but it's affordable, y'all. So definitely get your hands on some Plouise. Like, look at this base. Anything can go in here, any shadow. Like, we just about to really want to feel like really bronzy today. Look at this palette. It just is stating bronziness. First brush I'm going with is a 167 from Morphe. Like always, I packed that on. I do is basically tap that on the outer part. I'm trying to go so. The shade Naked. This one. So I love this technique. So I'm just tapping in between these two. Just tapping, like she said. Tap, tap, tap. Remember what she said, y'all. You just want to basically tap it on so you get the color payoff, and also while blending out that first color edge. Tap, tap, tap. To use this pigment that she used as well. This is 94, pigment 94, and it's based like a shimmer pigment that she used to cut. So that's how you do it. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'm coming right back. And we got these done. Well, they look even, age 30. Okay, so I'm gonna get my lashes and I'm gonna go put them on. Take my NYX pore fillers because I do have pores in this area. Over the face, I'm gonna take my CoverGirl True Blend skin primer. It's a smooth skin smoothing primer, and I am just going to apply this all over my face. With this on, like, #1 recommend Superstay. So bomb. But this color is a little bit too light for me, so I did pick up a foundation from Sally Beauty. Let me know if y'all have ever tried this. When I tried it and swatched it on at home, I just picked up a color. It's actually a little bit too dark for my skin, so that's why I have two, because I want to mix them together. Head off camera and apply my Makeup Revolution powder, and then I also went ahead and set my whole face with this matte Ambition Full Spectrum powder in the shades Deep Neutral and a little bit of Tan Golden. Like, I could probably do these. It's just so weird. Full Spectrum palette, and I'm gonna be bronzy, so I'm gonna take this middle shade right there. Okay, y'all, I was not expecting that. Okay, y'all. Bronze and up the face. I'm gonna take this Bronzer palette, and this is in the shade Showmatch. I know I use sometimes. Blusher, Bare Blusher palette, Sweet Cheek palette. And I'm taking my E3 from Morphe. And I think I'm gonna just go in with these two. The glosses at the moment, y'all, are these two. Now I'm gonna put on, I was gonna put this one on since like, take this gloss from Morphe. It's called Babe. It's a cream lipstick. Nude shimmer from Milani. I am going to be right back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe subscribe to this channel, thumbs up this video. Until then, I will see you dolls on another tutorial.